So they'll pick it up. Right here I have an iPhone 7. Make sure that if you are gonna pull off this prank that the phone is water resistant, because it is gonna get wet. So with that being said, guys, let's begin. This phone right here has a little case. This one's made of rubber and it's flexible. It doesn't matter what kind of case the phone has, because pretty much any case will work for this prank. Now when you do set up this prank, make sure you have plenty of time. So if you're gonna be using your friend's phone or maybe one of your parents' phones, make sure you have plenty of time to do so. Now for this prank, you're also gonna need some clear tape. What we're gonna do, guys, is if you examine the case, there's a few openings such as the camera window right here, and then on the bottom where the plug-in goes and the speakers are. So we're gonna cover those with tape. I'm gonna put clear tape on the inside and the outside just to make sure that it's covered completely. Alright, so now this case is waterproof. Water can't get into it, but in this case it can't get out. So that's how we want it, guys. This is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna leave the case wherever the phone was. We're gonna get some water, and yes, we are gonna pour it in there. So do that, guys. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna take the phone and you're just gonna place it on top, just like this. And see, your victim won't be able to see the water underneath the phone. They'll just assume that somebody took out the phone and left it there. Well, their first instinct is to push it in, right? And when that happens, well, they'll be in for a surprise. Just watch. So they'll pick it up. And look, they're gonna cause a spill. They're gonna get their phone wet. But since this is water resistant, nothing really is gonna happen to the phone. When your victim opens the door, this is what's gonna happen. Facing it. So once the door is opened, the forge will actually slide the balloon over this way where the push pins are. And who's gonna win, the balloon or the push pins? Of course, the push pins are gonna kick the balloon's butt.